Inspiration, ingenuity, innovation. Where does it start? Could it begin with two great organizations partnering together, one green and one blue? One of the nation's original land-grant universities and one of the top 100 research universities in the world. Michigan State University's discoveries in health include the cancer-fighting drug cisplatin. Spartans also revolutionized food crops globally, and in 2022, introduced the Facility for Rare Isotope Beams, the world's most powerful heavy-ion accelerator. Henry Ford's groundbreaking work is far-reaching as well. It includes discoveries like TPA for acute ischemic stroke, advances in severe sepsis treatment, and robotic surgery for prostate cancer. Henry Ford also hosts the third-largest brain tumor tissue bank in the world. Together, the possibilities are infinite. Welcome to a new era, a history-making partnership and the spark of incredible transformation.
By bringing together the strengths of research, education, and clinical care and a statewide reach, that is making us highly competitive in our application for grant funding, which is so critical to fueling the innovation at the pace that we want to do that.
Our partnership with Michigan State University cements the essence of academic research, innovation, discovery. The marriage of these two sets of resources, I think, will unleash discoveries that we can't even yet dream about.
We've been able to distribute close to $1 million in funding for collaborative joint projects in cancer translational research.
Lots of times people just think about ethnic minorities and disparities, but there's disparities in rural populations, sometimes that can be even greater than what we see in urban populations. So it's important, this partnership with MSU will allow us to address those also.
When these teams come together, it makes it much more powerful, not only to get the funding, but also to use that funding to do something that is impactful in the practical healthcare arena. To give you an example, in women's health at the present time, the partnership between us and Michigan State University has propelled that department to be among the top 5 most highly funded departments in the nation with respect to research in women's health.
The connection into our research into pancreatic cancer really became impactful because we lacked the disease and clinical expertise and the models to translate that to humans. And so by pairing with Henry Ford, collectively we're able to get a National Cancer Institute grant together in just a short time because they pushed us over the finish line to make that impact.
Less than 2 years into the partnership, and this unified research group is now recognized by the National Institutes of Health. They are tackling disparities in urban and rural communities and reaching milestones on their journey to achieve National Cancer Institute designation. And soon, the campus and the city will transform even further. A new world-class health sciences facility in Detroit will further fuel innovation and discovery, targeted to open in 2027. A foundational donation of $5 million was already made by Ron and Heather Boji.
This new facility will be a beacon for all of those around to say that's where innovation is happening. And so the power of that is just remarkable.
30 years from now, MSU Henry Ford will be one of those 2 or 3 places that really stands out in our nation, that helps transform lives with a focus on health, hope, and healing.